Namaste guys. Gently close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position. Take a deep inhale and chant Om with me. Relax your whole body. Normalize your breath and gently open your eyes. Stretch your both arms in your shoulder level. Slowly drop your left palm on the ground. Stretch your right arm towards left side. Feel the stretch in your right side of your belly and slowly come up. One more time. 2, 3. 4. 5. Hold here 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Do it the same exercise with other side. Drop your right hand on the ground. Stretch. One. Make sure your chest should be open, back straight and both arms straight. 2, 3, 4, 5 and hold here 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Interlock your both fingers backside and stretch your shoulders. Open your thoracic region. Head up, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. Slowly exhale. Gently lean forward. Open your shoulders. Relax your shoulders and allow to open as much as you can. Hold here a few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Then drop your both palms down and come to this position. Stretch your right leg, right side. You can lift your toes up and slowly go down and catch your toes and stay here. Open your shoulders, chest and slowly come back. Make sure your knees and heels should be in one line. 2. Slowly come back. 3. 4. Last time. 5. Hold here or you can stretch your arms up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back to the normal position and switch your leg. We will do the same exercise with the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last time 5. Stretch your arm up, hold here 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax, slowly come back. Again stretch your right leg, and this time drop your palms on the ground and elbow, and stretch your leg as much as you can do. Hold here, look forward, open your back and relax your right leg, and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. Do the same exercise with other side. Again, drop your palm on the ground, elbows, and stretch your left leg as much as you can do. Deep inhale and exhale, relax. Every exhalation, try to go more deep and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back. In this time, open your both knees together and again go into the down frog position. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So come back. Now come this position. First plank. Hold here. Look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly relax. Come into this position. Look up. Exhale, look down. Roll your spine. Inhale. And exhale. Cat pose. Inhale, head up. One more time. Just relax your back. Okay. Again, come into the plank. The next posture, downward facing dog. Open your thoracic region, open your chest. Heels on the ground. If you are beginner, you can lift your heels. And then slowly bend your one leg and stretch your another leg. Do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Open your hamstring. Just twist your left leg, left heel, and bring your right leg forward and put your both arm up. Virabhadrasana, warrior pose. Stay here. 5 count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly drop your both palms down. Come into again plank. Come into downward facing dog. Turn your right heel inward and bring your left leg forward and bring your both palms up. Make sure your front leg should be 90 degree. Both hips should be parallel. Back knee straight and hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly go down. Drop your both palms down. Come into Chaturanga. If you can't do this, just drop your knees. Do it again. This. And do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or last 10. Slowly come back. Stretch your toes and relax your rabbit pose. Slowly come forward again into plank. In this time, you have to use your arms strength. 1, 2, 3. You can open your legs and make little balance from back side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one 10. Very good. Come to downward facing dog. Push your hips down. Push your hips back side. Open your spine. Head down. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come forward. Spine straight, look forward. Slowly relax your both arms down. If your hamstring is too tight, you can little bend your knees or just relax here. And then slowly open and do it the same exercise 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure your back should be straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then drop your palms down. You can catch your heels and go down with exhalation. Slowly come back one more time and slowly come back. Interlock your fingers and stretch your shoulders, look up. And again put your both palms in your waist, go down, make 90-degree angle between your back and your thighs. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your both palms down, bend your knees, go back again into the plank. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Go back. Just take your right hand back and catch your left heel from the back side. Just bend your left leg first, catch your heels and drop your heels on the ground. and stay here. 5 count. 5. Feel the stretch in your back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back. The same exercise with other hand. 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back again into the plank. Hold here 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Downward facing dog. Right leg forward. Again go down. Complete fold forward or stay here and do it one more time. Bend your knees and bring your both palms up. Hold here 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your both palms down and jump back. Come into Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And again jump forward. Here we will do now Bakasana. Just relax your body. Drop your both palm on the ground. Lift your heels. Fix your heels in your armpit and slowly lean forward and bring your leg one by one and hold here. And slowly come down and jump back. Upward facing dog. Open your back as much as you can do, then lift your head up and relax. You are in Sasankasana, rabbit pose. Slowly come back. Bring your left hand right side and twist your spine. And slowly come back. Do the same thing with other hand. Slowly come back. Again plank. Downward facing dog. Jump forward and go down. Fold forward complete. Inhale, head up, bend your knees and come up. Slowly relax. Relax here for few breaths. Take inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Slowly stretch your both arms up. Interlock your fingers and exhale, go down. Again bend your knees, jump back, twist your body left side and open your chest and arms. Both arms should be in one line. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Same exercise with right side. Hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly go down. Drop your knees and relax here. Now slowly come back. Put your both palms close to your knees, and try to close your both elbows together and try to touch your both elbows near your belly. You can do like this in the beginning. Just bring your leg back and just hold here. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Inhale and exhale. Again lean forward. Do it this exercise again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Stretch your both hands forward. Head down. Stretch your shoulders back. Now prepare your body for Mayurasana, peacock pose. Elbows close, look forward, legs back and slowly lift your body forward. Shift your weight forward and hold here. And slowly come back. Again stretch your both hands forward. Relax here. Now come to the another practice. Plank. Look forward and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly come back and relax. Relax here a few breaths and repeat it again. Open your shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back. Again, last time. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly come back and relax. Now one advanced practice. It will improve your handstand. So just see here. This is called pike push-up. Okay. Come into downward facing dog. Lift your heels up and slowly go forward. 1. Do it 5 times. 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Very good. Take rest. Drop your knees down and stretch your hands. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Last inhale and exhale. Okay, slowly come forward. One more last forward stretching. You can do just like this in the beginning, just go down, or you can catch your backside of your head like this and just go down. It will help to improve your forward bend. Just go slowly like this with exhalation. Exhale. Slowly increase. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now stretch your toes towards your face and with exhalation go down. Try to go closer to your knees. Exhale. Last one, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Just sit in any comfortable posture and slowly lift your body up. 2 times, 3, 4 and 5. Then after, just stretch your legs and just lie down on your mat. Relax your both hands and both legs. Shake your legs and hands and then relax. Take a deep inhale and exhale and allow your body to take complete rest. We will stay here 1 minute. Last 5 seconds. Slowly twist your body right side and come up. Sit any cross-leg position. Join your hands together. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Rub your both palms together. Put them on your eyes very gently and look down. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.